Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on your smartphone. To do that, open Settings, then go to Display Settings, Display and Brightness, and here you can find two settings. The first one is Font. Font lets you select the font style that you like and lets you apply the font size that you need by moving the slider. You can also change the font weight for some fonts by moving this slider down below. You can also switch this toggle to make the font weight adaptive. And in the display size menu, you can pick between the large, standard and small display sizes. So select the one that you like the most, and that's basically it. That's how you change DPI settings on your phone. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.